The Andhra Pradesh High Court is the High Court of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It was set up on 5th November 1956 under the State Reorganization Act. The state of Andhra Pradesh was formed in 1956 by the merger of the Andhra state. It was formed in the year of 1953 by dividing Madras state and the Telangana area of the Hyderabad state, which was acceded by Government of India on 17 September 1948 from Nizam. History of High Court buildings. The High Court stands on the south bank of the river Musi. This is one of the finest buildings in the city. Built in red and white stones in Saracenic style and Nizam 7 Mir Usman Ali, the ruler of the princely state of Hyderabad. The plan of the High Court was drawn up by Shankar Lal of Jaipur, and the local engineer who executed the design was Meher Ali Fazil. The construction started on 17th April 1915 and was completed on 31 March 1919. On 20 April 1920, the High Court building was inaugurated by Nizam 7 Mir Usman Ali Khan. While digging the foundation for the High Court, ruins of the Qutub Shahi palaces, namely Hina Mahal and Nadi Mahal, were unearthed. The High Court looks beautiful and impressive from the Nayapul Bridge at sunset. After its construction, a silver model of the High Court with a silver key was presented to the Nizam 7 Mir Usman Ali Khan by the judiciary during the Silver Jubilee celebrations in 1936. The facsimile of the buildings was perfectly carved in a thick sheet of silver weighing about 300 kg. The model is now in the Nizam's Museum in Purani Haveli. The main building of the High Court was constructed in the year 1919 by the Nizam's government, accommodating 6 judges besides accommodation for the office staff, recorded rooms and advocates hall. After the formation of Andhra Pradesh, when the High Court of Andhra Pradesh was formed in 1956 as a consequence of State Reorganization Act, the judges' strength was increased to 12. The existing accommodation at that time was only inadequate to meet the requirements of the larger High Court, and so the additional building was constructed in 1958-59. The entire office rooms, recorded rooms, chambers of advocates, 42 in all, and the rooms for law officers were located in this building. The record rooms, officer rooms in the main building were modified to provide chambers. And court hall accommodation for 14 judges. The Andhra Pradesh High Court main gate in Hyderabad by 1970. The institution of cases of the High Court has gone up to 35,000 as against 20,000 in 1958. The judges' strength had also risen from 14 to 21. To provide additional accommodation for judges, staff and advocates and law officers, the third building was proposed and the work was completed in 1976. The law officer strength was increased from 8 to 18 by 1980, and the institution of cases had gone up to 55,593 cases. In 1979, a plan was drawn for the 4-story annexure building, and due to lack of funds that could not be taken up. There are at present 20 court halls and 24 chambers located in the High Court main building and annex buildings. The present building, for which the foundation stone is being laid by the Honorable Chief Justice, will have 8 court halls and 8 chambers for the judges. Some of the court halls located in the verandas and in the office rooms will be restored to their original position. The institution of cases had risen from 20,078 in 1958 to 1982, including miscellaneous cases in 1985. Now the pendency of cases in High Court as on 24th July 1987 are 84,855 cases. On 24th July 1987, the Government of India is contemplated to raise the strength of the judges of the High Court to 36, and in such case more funds have to be released for the construction of annex buildings. After the completion of this building, the main building and annex buildings can locate 24 court halls and 26 chambers. On 31st August 2009, a major accidental fire broke out through the building, reportedly causing severe damage to the library housing rare England law reports, Privy Council journals, and a life-size portrait of the Nizams and portrait of judicial. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please watch and subscribe Indian Tourist.